Unlock the doors to your virtual classroom with this simple guide on joining a class in Microsoft Teams. First, you'll need to launch the Microsoft Teams application. You can find it on your desktop, in your Applications folder, or by searching for it in your computer's search bar. Click on the Teams icon to open the application. Once Teams is open, look to the left navigation bar and click on the Teams icon. It usually looks like a group of people or two overlapping figures. This will take you to the hub where all your teams are listed. If you haven't already been added to your class team, you'll need to join it. Look for a button in the upper right-hand corner that says Join or Create Team and click on it. Now, you should see a section that says Join a Team with a Code. This is where you'll enter the code provided by your teacher or school. Make sure to type the code carefully, as it's case sensitive. After entering the code, click the blue Join Team button. Give it a few moments to process, and congratulations, you're in. You should now see your class team listed among your other teams. Click on it to access the class channel, where you will find announcements, assignments, meeting links, and other important information from your teacher. Welcome to class.